As food bank use climbs back up late into the COVID pandemic, Shirley Brophy, the acting coordinator for the Deer Lake Food Bank, does her best to meet the demand.
In the beginning, it was actually, I'm going to say the month of March was kind of through the roof. I think everybody kind of went into panic mode. Then our numbers actually started to decline for April. And then May, we started seeing it go up a little bit, but not the norm. And June and July again, then it just gradually started increasing again. And I'm going to say in October, it probably is certainly back to where it was, or maybe a little bit even higher. Government was really quick to hand out money to families and individuals. And I think that did make a difference for some people.
Shirley says food donations have been down since the beginning of COVID, and with the holiday season approaching fast, it's important now more than ever that they get those much-needed donations.
Generally, yes, we do see an increase around Christmas time. I think families are trying to purchase presents for their kids, so they're reaching out to us to help them.
The food bank makes hampers for those in need, and thankfully, Shirley has some backup to help.
Like a food hamper will cover basically like one of everything that they're seeing here almost. Basically. Depending on how many people that hamper's in for. Of course, if it's one person, you get 1 can of beans. If you've got 4 people, you get 2 cans of beans. You know, like you make it so that there's enough to feed the family. It's really nice to see somebody come in here that's down and out. They don't have money to buy groceries for their kids, and when they come in, they're so appreciative. Like, can't thank you enough for what you're doing. I mean, it really makes you feel good.
While the Deer Lake Food Bank may be seeing less donations, Shirley and the volunteers are going to continue to do their best to help out those in need. If you or anybody you know would like to help your community this holiday season, please consider donating to your local food bank. I'm Griffen Stuckless for Kicker News.